Okay, you have done it. You finally got that iGCSE Maths paper 4 completed and done, and you give yourself a massive pat on the back. When I started this channel a long time ago, I think about 6-7 years ago, the whole point of this channel was to help students right up until those exams, getting that paper 2 and that paper 4, and of course the 0607 paper 6 as well, and making sure they are properly prepared for that and really hammering that vectors and differentiation, which may have come up on paper 4. Do let me know in the comments below which topics did come up, and that's why the channel exists. It exists for you and exists to make sure you get those top grades. So let me know if anything tricky did come up, if anything in the future for 2027 we need to add an extra video to make sure that everything is covered for this new syllabus from 2025 onwards. Give yourself a huge pat on the back. Really well done. It's a stressful time. I'm glad to have shared the journey with you and have helped you all the way through with all the different things that are going on across the world that have probably disrupted your learning in some way. If you're a year 10 student watching this, now you know you've got exactly less than a year until it is your turn, and hopefully the year 11s here or the grade 10s can record a 30-second video saying exactly how I've helped you, and you can email it across to me at gingermathematician@gmail.com. That would be fantastic. So you can give a little bit of guidance to those students 1 year behind you. And oh, we've got a tram going past as I'm speaking. Hopefully it doesn't disrupt the audio too much. So those students who've got 1 more year left to go know exactly how to approach their studies. Really well done. And if you want to get a head start, if you are a year 10 student or grade 9 student, then please by all means do go down in the description and the pinned comments. You can get my free iGCSE roadmap, and that will get you started on fixing those gaps. For the students that are going on to A-level, IB, or even just finishing their maths there, really well done. Again, please do pop by the channel occasionally just to drop down a comment and say how you're getting on, and if I can help you bridge that gap between iGCSE and A-level, check out the video right